Hello children. In this lecture we will do the numericals on the transformer. In the question we have to find that how much current is drawn by the primary coil of a transformer which step down to 220 volt to 20 volt to operate a device with an impedance of 220 ohm. We have to find the current in a primary coil IP, and it is given that voltage in the primary, that is 220, voltage in the secondary, that is 220 volt, resistance in the secondary, that is 220 ohm. Now we can, using Ohm's law, to find the current. Is is equal to Es by Rs, that is 22 by 220, that is equals to 1 by 10. Now using the relation EP/IP is equal to Es into Is. EP is given 220, IP we have to find, Es is given 22 volt, Is we have find 1 by 10. So we get 22 into 1 by 10 into 1 by 220. So we get the value of IP, that is 1 by 100, that is 10 power minus 2 ampere. This is the required answer. The next question is a step down transformer that converts transmission line voltage from 2200 volt to 220 volt. So this is input voltage and this is output voltage. The primary coil having 5000 turns, so number of turns NP is given 5000 turns, efficiency is given, and the output power is 8 kilowatt. Find the number of turns in the secondary and the input power. It is given to us EPs. Input power is 2200 volt, input voltage is 2200 volt, output voltage is 220 volt. Number of turns in the primary is NP is 5000. Efficiency is given 90%. Output power is given. Output power is 8 kilowatt. So using the relation Es upon EP equal Ns upon Np. Es and EP is given to us. Now we have to find the number of turns Ns. We can use the relation Es upon EP into Np. Now the value of Es is 220, value of EP is 2200, value of NP is 5000. So now the number of turns in the secondary, that will be 500. Now using the relation for the efficiency, output power to the input power, efficiency is 90%, output power is 8 kilowatt, input power. So input power is equal to 8 into 100 by 90. This is kilowatt. So therefore input power, that will be approximate 9 kilowatt. In this question, a step-up transformer operates on a 220 volt line. So this is input voltage, and supply to load a current of 2 ampere. The current in the output is 2 ampere. The ratio of the primary and secondary winding is 1:25. Primary and secondary winding, NP by NS, that is 1/25. We have to find the secondary voltage. Now, we can use the relation ES upon EP, that is equal to NS upon NP. Now, EP is 220 and NS by NP is 25 by 1. So this is 25. We can calculate ES, 220 into 25. So this ES is equal to 5500 volt. Now, output power P is equal to VI. $5,500 into 2. It is 11,000 watt. Now, using the relation for the efficiency, output power upon input power, that is, we can write ESIS upon EP into IP. So 80% is 80 by 100 ES into IS. ES into IS, that is 11,000 upon EP is 220. We have to find the IP. Now we can find IP, that is equals to 500 upon 8, and this is approximate 63 ampere.